Good morning, children. Let us take English literature, page number 58. Today we are going to study the poem called Tales. Page number 58, I have written here, you see, Tales. This particular poem is written by A. Milne. So in my live class, I have given this particular poem. Today I am going to give in video. So dear children, I told you in my live class that God has created everything good and perfect. God has created animals, God has created human beings, God has created birds, animals. So we see all these things in nature. See, God has given us tail to these animals like elephant, lion, tiger, fish, crocodiles, cow, buffalo, sheep, goat, rabbit, all these are having tails. But human being doesn't have, or human beings don't have tails. God has made us perfect. God has given us our different body parts. God has not given us tail. But these animals have tails and they have for a special purpose. These tails help these animals to chase flies and other insects which sit on their bodies. So God has given them for a special purpose. But this particular boy wants to have tails. He wants to enjoy. He wants to have fun with this particular tail. And then he wishes to have one tail at least. If he doesn't get one tail, he will go to the shop and he will buy one tail. But that will be called a duplicate tail. That will be called a false tail. So children, that is not natural. That is not given by God. So here this particular boy wishes to have a tail. What a funny thing. How can a boy have a tail? Because he has been created perfectly by God. God has given him eyes, legs, hands, ears, nose, and so on. All sense organs God has given him. But he wants some extra things. And therefore, my dear children, let us read this funny poem. So please look, all of you, the reading portion. Tails. In this poem, a little child wants to have a tail like many animals. How can he get one, and what would he do if he got one? Now let us read this particular poem and understand it. Now I am reading the text for you first. A lion has a tail and a very fine tail, and so has an elephant, and so has a whale, and so has a crocodile, and so has a quail. They have all got tails but me. If I had sixpence, I would buy one. I would say to the shopman, let me try one. I would say to the elephant, this is my one. They would all come around to see. Then I would say to the lion, why, you have got a tail. And so has the elephant, and so has the whale. And look, there's a crocodile. He's got a tail. You have all got tails like me. By A. Milne. My dear children, this particular poem I have already explained in my live class. Now I am not going to explain to you. And even the exercises, just now I am going to deal with these exercises. Now page number 59, you see, fill in the blanks using words from the box. See only that exercise A I am doing. Some money, excellent, tried, tails. Now number 1, you see, in the box 4 words have been given. Number 1, the poet says that the lion, the elephant, the whale, the crocodile and quail have and dash tails, and Number 1, it will be excellent. 2 number. If the poet had dice, he would buy a tail. So it will be some money. If he had some money, he would buy a tail from the shopman. 3 number. He would ask the shopkeeper to let him dice a tail. Try a tail. Number 4. The poet would tell all the animals that they have all got dice like him, tails like him. Okay, my dear children, all these things I have done in my live class. But for those students who did not participate, it will be lost for them. So please do it. Now, in the other exercises are left here, I will deal with in my next class. I wind up my class here. Thank you very much to everyone. See you again in the next class.